According to Binet's du fétichisme dans l'amour, erotic stimulation is often derived from inanimate objects. These are called fetishes or love objects. People can also have fetishes for parts of the body, such as ears, nose, hair, and feet, or a physical disability such as crossed eyes or a limp. The inanimate objects commonly include articles of feminine attire, such as handkerchiefs, underwear, or shoes. There are those who enjoy drinking from a loved one's shoe. Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you. Point of view of these psychosexual relations is a certain histological concordance between the nose and other erogenous zones. It has been observed that sexual excitement often manifests itself in the accompanying phenomena of nasal irritation, which can sometimes cause violent sneezes. And for 3 years, I've been having shots for hay fever. Hay fever.
May I be permitted to share the joke with you?
Oh, what a lovely, cool face.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Don't breathe. Now breathe. You cold? Never mind. I'll carry you.
But what are you doing? Aren't you going to take me in your arms?
You better read the manual of first aid.
The good is often carried with their bones, so let it be with you. Noble Brutus, have told you.
Got the mercury cold. Don't get too close to me.
And grievously has Caesar Anthony.
Are you okay? I think I'm coming down with something.
Did you see a doctor?
No. It's nothing. I'm taking zinc.
You think the zinc really works?
If you take it early enough, yeah.
Excuse me. Mrs. Greco, you'll have to take this over to the Bay Street office.
Okay.
Mr. Cole? Mr. Cole,
Yes, ma'am.
come with me, please. Sit down, please.
Okay if I smoke?
Yep. You want assistance, Mr. Cole.
Yes, ma'am.
You haven't been able to find a job in 14 months.
14 months in California. That's 6.5 years if you count Texas, New York, and Tennessee.
I'll have to send a social worker out to your truck.
I don't know, is there any chance of getting any food stamps before then? Here, try this. It's snuff. Really open you up.
No, thank you.
Imported from London.
You seem to be able to afford some expensive little items for a man who needs welfare, Mr. Cole.
I bet this job can get you down, yeah. So God bless you.
Oh, Molly.
Miss Prescott? Miss Prescott? You think line 183 is in the right place?
Put it higher.
No, that's awful. Oh. Sam, what do you think?
Well, actually, you can do it.
You're as hot as a pistol. Come on, you're going home.
Brasher, you forgot these. You'll catch cold. Tight. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
My, you are pretty. Would you like a cup of hot coffee? Hot chocolate?
No, thank you.
Pocket handkerchief? All linen.
No, thank you.
Hey, Mikey.
Mom, what happened to you?
Oh, it's a head cold or an allergy again.
You look sort of puffy.
I am not imagining things. I can hardly breathe.
I always hated television. Called it a waste of time.
Our reception got better.
Grandpa!
Maybe you can do something to get yourself back into my good graces, huh?
I wonder what.
Take aspirin.
Sorry, but I had this allergy.
Oh, is that what it is?
Oh, I had an allergy test when I was, I don't know, 10 or so. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Well, the sooner the better. Monday at 10. All right, thanks. Bye.
Come on, up.
Could you call off the pups? I'm allergic.
Dogs, hush up. Miss Starson, my apologies. I wasn't expecting you.
Well, I would have called first, but I was in the neighborhood.
Well, I did say drop by any time, didn't I? Well, I really meant it.
I'd like to talk to you in private, if you don't mind.
Oh, here you go.
If the terrorists were Soviet-backed, then Viper Project will have been for nothing. It means our security's been compromised at the highest level.
Looks like a disaster all around. Bless you. You all right, Miss Starson? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking that I can always distinguish a true horseman.
Well, Edith, ma'am. Congratulations there, my boy. It's quite a coup you pulled off wrangling that contract. God bless you, darling. Well, thank you very much, King. I appreciate it. That's generous of you. Bet it is. I don't believe you've met Paige.
Yes, you're an admirer of horses.
That's right, ma'am. How'd you know that?
I can always distinguish a true horseman.